So here is one of the most common mistakes that we find, showing you that fabric does not really work that well. This is a basement and it's just flooded every time it rains. Someone had come out here and wrapped the French drain with Geo Fabric, and it doesn't allow the water into the system. So here we're pulling up that old fabric. We've got to dig this all up and replace all of the gravel and perforated pipe. This has got to be the most common mistake that we find when we are replacing French drains. It's not that the gravel is filled with dirt. It's that the geotextile fabric does not allow the water into the system fast enough. Take a look at this next clip. We're going to put the garden hose inside the geotextile fabric in the gravel and let it run. Watch how fast the water comes out down here by the sump basin. So here at the other end, you can see Paul down there. Here at the top of this basement addition, we've added a garden hose going down into the gravel. Water comes through the gravel. Let's walk down here and see if it's coming out. And you can see that fills up through the gravel into the pipe and comes all the way down here to the corner. And yeah, this is where the problem is. So we're going to put a sump pump in that corner over there. Unfortunately, we've got a lot of water backing up right here, but we're just going to have to put the pump in there and pump it out. And then we know that this footer tile is working good. The water had no place to go. Okay, so we've got our downspout hooked up his existing sump pump. Line goes down along the wall. You can see him covering that. So we've got a lot of water that discharges all the way out there at the end of the line. Just covering up here last little bit. Throw the mulch back on there. Maybe a little bit of dirt to remove. Downspout drain, sump pump, downspout drain. Remember that our sump pump for the wall is right below my foot, just about 6 inches. Comes out. We're going to discharge everything into a pop-up, an emitter. As the water comes down the line, it'll just lift up this emitter and the water will disperse out through the ground. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
Hola, mi nombre es Candela. Si crees en algo, te aseguro que lo vas a lograr.